What triggered Operation Sindoor? On what date did Operation Sindoor take place? Operation Sindoor directly retaliated against which terror organization? How many terror sites were struck? What air defense system shot down Pakistani drones and missiles? How long did the strikes last? Approximately. Approximate number of militants killed. Which navigation system enhanced strike accuracy? Which advanced decoy system featured during the operation? Which Pakistani base sustained damage per satellite imagery? Which Indian official emphasized peacetime is an illusion post-Sindoor? What was India's non-military response? Which service's native defense network played a key role? Where did the strikes originate from? What was the nature of the operation? How did Pakistan respond immediately after? Which global powers reportedly assisted Pakistan during Operation Sindoor? How did PM Modi describe the pause after action? Who was the chief of the Indian Army during Operation Sindoor? Who was the chief of the Pakistan Army during Operation Sindoor?